Good morning, students. In the previous class, you learnt the multiplication of a monomial by a monomial, multiplication of a monomial by a binomial or a trinomial, multiplication of a binomial by a binomial in horizontal method and in column method. Today we will continue the same exercise and same type of questions. In the previous class we completed up to part K of question number 1, exercise 5D. Today we will start from part L. In part L we have to multiply this xy plus 1 with y minus x plus 3. It is a binomial and it is a trinomial. So first we will write first term of first expression. This is first expression and this is second expression. These are two expressions. First is binomial and second is trinomial. First we will write first expression, first term of first expression, then second expression full y minus x plus 3. Then second term of first expression plus 1, then second expression. Now we will multiply this xy 1 by 1 term of second expression. So xy multiply this y, it will become xy square minus xy multiply by this x, then it will become x square y plus xy multiply by 3, it will be 3xy, then plus 1 multiply by y, it is y, y 1 ja y, then minus 1 multiply x, x 1 ja x, plus then 1 multiply 3, it is 3. So what is the product? It will become xy square minus x square y plus 3xy plus y minus x plus 3. Next part, 5x plus 1 multiplied by a plus x plus 3. Again there are two expression. First is binomial and other is trinomial. We will follow the same method. First term of first expression, that is 5x, then write second expression as it is a plus x plus 3. Then second term of first expression, that is plus 1 multiplied by second expression a plus x plus 3. Now multiply this 5x in this expression 1 by 1 term. 5x multiply a, it is 5ax plus 5x multiply x, it is 5x square plus 5x multiply by 3, 5 3 ja 15x plus 1 multiply a 1 ja a, plus 1 multiply by x, it is x, plus 1 multiply by 3, it is 3. Now this 5ax plus 5x square plus this 15x and this x, both are like terms, so we will simplify these two like terms. It will become plus 15 plus 1 16x plus a plus 3. Next part, xy plus y plus 2 multiplied by x plus 1. Again there are two expressions. First is trinomial and second is binomial. So students, we can do it like this also. First we will write first term of first expression, that is xy, then multiplied by second expression, that is x plus 1. Then second term of first expression plus y multiplied by second expression x plus 1. Then third term of first expression, that is plus 2 multiplied by second expression x plus 1. Again multiply it 1 by 1 term, xy multiply x, x square y plus xy multiply 1, xy 1 ja xy, plus y multiply x, it is xy, plus y multiply 1 y, plus 2 multiply x 2x, plus 2 1 ja 2. Now x square y plus xy, both are like terms, so it will be taken as 1xy plus 1xy. It is 2xy plus y plus 2x plus 2. Question number 2. Simplify the following. Its A part is 2a plus within bracket 3a minus b plus a. So students, out of this bracket there is plus sign. When we remove this bracket, there will be no change. All these three terms will be written as it is. 2a plus 3a minus b plus a. Then this 2a plus 3a plus a. These three terms are like terms. So we will write like terms together. 2a plus 3a plus a, then minus b. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. So 6a minus b. Next part, b. A plus within bracket 4a minus a plus 7a minus a. So we will simplify here bracket. A plus 4a minus a means 4a minus 1a. It is plus 3a plus 7a minus 1a, 6a. All these three terms are like terms. So we will simplify it. There is plus sign. So 1a plus 3a. 1a plus 3a, 4a. 4a plus 6a, 10a. Next part, C. 11b minus a plus 2 multiplied by 3a minus b. Now this 11b minus a plus multiply this 2 by this 3a and minus b. 2 3 ja 6a minus 2 1 ja 2b. Now 11b minus 2b minus a plus 6a. 11b minus 2b means 9b minus a plus 6a is plus 5a. Now write it alphabetically. It is equal 5a plus 9b. Next part, D. 5 plus 11b minus b plus 2 multiplied by 3a minus b. See students, within this bracket both are like terms. So 5 plus 11b minus 1b, it is 10b plus. Here we have to multiply this 2 by these two terms. So 2 3 ja 6a minus 2 1 ja 2b. Now 5 plus this 10b minus 2b. These are two like terms. So simplify it. It is plus 10b minus 2b. So it will be plus 8b plus 6a. Now write it again alphabetically. We will write this plus 6a first, then plus 8b, then plus 5 as constant term. Next part, E. 5p plus 3p plus q minus 7p minus q. Now this 5p plus, open this bracket. Out of this bracket there is plus sign. So no change in the sign. It will be written as it is. As it is written in the bracket. So plus 3p plus q minus 7p minus q. Now see, this 5p plus 3p, it is 8p, then minus 7p. This plus q and this minus q cancelled. So 8p plus 5p plus 3p, 8p minus 7p. 8 minus 7, 1. It means 1p. 1p means only p. Next part, F part. 8kl minus 6k plus 4 multiply by this expression, that is lk minus k plus lk. So 8kl minus 6k plus 4 multiply this 1. 4 1 ja 4 lk minus again 4 1 ja, this is 1k. So 4 1 ja 4k plus again 4 1 ja 4 lk. Then 8kl plus 4 lk can be written as kl. These three are like terms. So we can write 8kl plus 4kl plus 4kl minus 6k minus 4k. So 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 4, 16kl minus 6k and minus 4k. It will be minus 10k. Students, you can do it like this also. 8KL minus 6K plus 4 within bracket it is LK plus LK. We can write in here 2LK minus K. Then you can simplify also. Next, part G. 3R minus 7S plus 3R minus S plus 7S minus R. 3R minus 7S plus minus S plus S cancel. So this is plus 3R. Then remove this bracket also, simplify this bracket, plus 7S minus R. Now this 3R plus 3R minus R minus 7S plus 7S. See again, this 3R this one plus 3R this one minus R this one, then minus 7S plus 7S. Minus 7S plus 7S cancel. 3R plus 3R means 6R. 6R minus 1R, it is equal to 5R. Next, H part. Minus A plus rectangle bracket, B minus flower bracket minus round bracket, A minus B plus A. Then all these three brackets are closed. Minus A plus. Students, when there are all three brackets in a single question, then first of all we will solve this round bracket, then this flower bracket, and in the last we will solve this rectangle bracket. So start to write from the first term, that is minus A plus, then this bracket B minus, then this bracket minus A plus A, 2A minus B, and close all three brackets. Students, we have to write it from the starting as it is, one by one. All the sign we have to write. And first of all we will solve only this bracket. We will start from here up to here to solve. Again see, minus A plus, then this bracket B minus, then this bracket minus. Now solve this bracket, A plus A, 2A minus B, and all these three brackets are closed. Again we will start as it is, minus A plus, then this rectangle bracket, B minus, then this flower bracket. Now we will simplify this bracket, we will remove this bracket, and out of this bracket there is minus sign. So when we remove this bracket, we will change this sign, and this sign will be considered as plus. So when we remove this bracket, this sign will become minus. Minus 2A plus B. We will remove this bracket now, and only these two brackets are left, flower bracket and rectangle bracket. Now again from starting, minus A plus B. Now we will remove this flower bracket, and out of this bracket again there is minus sign. So this sign, two sign will change. This minus 2A will become plus 2A, and this plus B will become minus B. We will remove this two sign of flower bracket, only this one bracket is left. Now minus A plus, this plus B and minus B cancel. So what is left within rectangle bracket? It is 2A. Now this minus A plus 2A. This time we will remove this bracket also. So it is plus 2A. It will remain as it is, plus 2A. Minus A plus 2A. When we will solve it, we will get plus 1A or 1 or A. Now come to next part, that is I part. In I part, 2A minus 2 flower bracket, A plus 2A minus A, close this bracket, then minus A flower bracket and rectangle bracket. 2A minus 2, this bracket will remain as it is, then A plus 2A minus A. We will remove this bracket. Out of this bracket there is only plus sign, so we will write as it is. This is 2A minus A, then this minus A. Again flower bracket. Students, Here this bracket is ending, but there is no starting of this bracket, so you can cut it here. Now this 2a minus 2. See here, this is minus a and this is plus a. These 2a are cancelled. Then 2a plus 2a minus a means a only. We will subtract this 1a from this 2a. Then we will get plus 1a. Plus 1a means only a. Now this 2a minus a, multiply this 2 with a, then it will become minus 2a. Then this plus 2a and this minus 2a both are cancelled. What is left? Only minus a is left. Next part, J. A plus rectangle bracket a minus a, then flower bracket a square plus a, then round bracket a minus a square, flower bracket and rectangle bracket are closed. Again from starting we write as it is a plus, then this rectangle bracket a minus a, then this flower bracket a square plus a minus a means cancel 0, then minus a square, flower bracket and rectangle bracket close. A plus a minus a, then this a square plus a multiplied by this 0, a 0 ja 0 minus a square, then this flower bracket rectangle bracket closed. Here you see this plus a square and this minus a square can be cancelled. So again from starting a plus, then this rectangle bracket a minus a, within this bracket what is left? Only 0 is left. Then this bracket closed, then a plus, a this one minus this one, a multiplied by 0, a 0 ja again 0. Now a plus a minus 0 means a. When we subtract 0 from any number, then we get the same number. In the same way, a minus 0 is a. It means a plus a. Now a plus a means 2a. Next part, K. 4a multiplied by 1 plus 2b plus 2 multiplied by 3a plus ab. So first we will multiply 4a by 1. 4a 1 ja 4a plus 4 2 ja 8 ab. 4 2 ja 8 ab. Then plus 2 3 ja 6a plus 2 1 ja 2 ab. So what is the multiplication? 4a 1 ja 4a plus 4a multiplied 2b, 4 2 ja 8ab plus 2 3 ja 6a plus 2 1 ja 2ab. Now take these two like terms, 4a plus 6a and 8ab plus 2ab. 8ab plus 2ab plus 4a plus 6a. 8 plus 2 10ab plus 4 plus 6 10a. Now next part, L. 2y square plus y into y minus 3 bracket close minus 3 multiplied by y square minus 4. Now 2y square, multiply this y with this bracket and this 3 minus 3 with this bracket. It will become y multiply y plus y square minus y multiply 3, 3y. Then when we multiply this minus 3 with y square, it will become minus 3y square, and this minus 3 with minus 4, it will become plus 12. Or we can say when out of this minus bracket there is minus sign, these two sign are changed. 3 4 ja 12. Now take like terms, 2y square plus 1y square. It becomes 3y square. 2y square plus 1y square is 3y square. Then this minus 3y square. Then this minus 3a plus 12. 3y square minus 3y square. Both are cancelled. What is left? Minus 3a plus 12 is left. Now you will complete it up to this question 2. One question more left, question number 3. Question number 3 we will do in next class, and in next class I will start the new chapter also. One more chapter left, chapter 6, that is linear equation in one variable. So I will start the next chapter in the next class, and this one question left I will complete it also in the next class. Thank you, students. If you have any problem, any difficulty, you can ask me during the class time. Good morning, students. In the last class you learnt how do you multiply a monomial by a monomial, a monomial by a binomial, or a binomial by a binomial in column method or in a row method. Today we will continue the same exercise, same questions, starting from the L part of question number 1. Previously or already we have completed up to K part of question number 1. So today we are starting from the part L. L part is